Hi everyone, welcome to SPK English Academy. In today's class, we will discuss the first language English, second lesson, that is the elixir of life. This lesson is written by C.V. Raman, one of the greatest scientists of our country. So, in this lesson, now I have set some very important multiple choice questions. So as per the new exam pattern, only multiple choices are asked in the next coming examination. So these questions are very important for your exam purpose. Now look at this lesson's multiple choice questions. The first question, according to C.V. Raman, the true elixir of life is four options: plain water, pure air, hard water, borewell water. The right answer is the plain water. Second question. One day, C.V. Raman was standing on the line which separates the Libyan desert from four options: the valley of Kashmir, the valley of Sindhu, the valley of Nile, the valley of Olga. The right answer is the valley of Nile. So this is the right answer. Question number 3. Dash tell us that the entire soil of the Nile Valley is the creation of the river itself. Four options: scientists, B. pathologist, C. doctors, G. geologist. The right option is D. geologist. Question number 4. The entire soil of the Nile Valley is brought down from A. the highlands of Abyssinia, B. the remote Central Africa, C. Central America, D. both A and B. The correct answer is both A and B. The highlands of Abyssinia and the remote Central Africa. These two answers are correct. Question number 5. The gift of the Nile River is A. Saudi Arabia, B. Africa, C. China, D. Egypt. Right answer, option D. Egypt. Question number 6. What adds much beauty to the countryside? A little stream trickling over the rocks, B. a rich vegetation, C. a little pond by the wayside, D. both A and C. Right answer is answer D. both A and C. It means a little stream trickling over the rocks, and C. a little pond by the wayside. The rain-fed tanks are more beautiful when they are A. half filled, B. full, C. silt laden, D. empty. The correct answer, option B. full. The rain-fed tanks are very beautiful when they are full. Question number 8. The rain-fed tanks are more common in A. North Indian agriculture, South Indian agriculture, C. East Indian agriculture, D. West Indian agriculture. The right answer is B. South Indian agriculture. One of the most remarkable facts about water is A. Its power to carry silt. B. To carry finely divided soil in suspension. C. To form the ravines and gullies. D. Both A and B. The right answer is on option D, both A and B. A. Its power to carry silt. B. To carry finely divided soil in suspension. Question number 10. The origin of the characteristic color of the water in rain-fed tanks depends on the nature of the catchment area, B. the rainwater, C. the weather, D. the vegetation of that area. The right answer is A. the nature of the catchment area. Question number 11. According to C.V. Raman, which of the following is the major cause for soil erosion? Options: A. the formation of the deep gullies and ravines. Option B. sudden burst of excessive heavy rain. C. the slope of the land. D. the existence of the ruts. Among these four, which of the major cause for soil erosion? All these four are the causes for soil erosion. Which is the main cause? The right answer is option B, sudden burst of excessively heavy rain. Question number 12. Which of the following is not the cause for soil erosion? The formation of the deep gullies and ravines. B. the sudden burst of excessive heavy rain. C. the terracing of the land. D. the existence of the ruts. So four options are given. Read the instruction clearly. Which of the following is not the cause for soil erosion? So option A, option B and option D. So these three options cause for the soil erosion. But the C option is a measure which we take to prevent the soil erosion. It means the terracing of the land. So answer is C, the terracing of the land. It is the measure to take to prevent the soil erosion, but it does not cause for the soil erosion. Question number 13. Which of the following is not the measure to prevent the soil erosion? A. Sudden burst of excessively heavy rain. The existence of ruts. The construction of the burns. Practice of contour cultivation. Which of the following is not the measure to prevent the soil erosion? The right answer is A. Sudden burst of excessively heavy rain. So it is not major to prevent the soil, but it is a major cause for occurring the soil erosion. Question number 4. According to C.V. Raman, dash is imperative, means important for the life and growth of plants and trees. Four options: water, fertilizer, C, air, D, moisture. The correct answer is option D, moisture. Questions which I set on the elixir of life lesson. I think these questions will help you to prepare well for the next coming examination. So if you like this video, please share your friends and also comment. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, you have to subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.